Peace be upon you, dear viewers, from Me Have Planet channel, Ramadan Mubarak. In today's episode, I will present a cream mold recipe. The taste is absolutely imaginary. Its flavor is different from all known cream flavors. This recipe is exclusive to Me Have Planet channel, presented for the first time on the occasion of Ramadan. And I warn you, this cream mold might cause you addiction, because it is truly that delicious. Let's begin. I need a few grains of mastic. I place them on parchment paper. I fold the paper over. I place it in a mortar. And I crush it very finely. I crush it, it becomes like powder. As you can see, I crush the mastic, I set it aside, and I continue the preparation. I pour into a pot 1 liter of milk, full fat. I add to it half a cup of cream, special for desserts, the cream special for cakes. Cup of starch. Half a cup of sugar. And I mix well with the whisk until the starch dissolves completely. I keep mixing so there are any lumps. Of course, after I turned on the heat. It is necessary to dissolve the starch before turning on the heat. And when the starch dissolves, turn on the heat. On high heat. With constant stirring. Until it thickens. I must not stop stirring at this stage, so the starch does not settle at the bottom. And when the starch thickens, as you can see, I lower the heat to the lowest boiling point. With constant stirring. The starch is cooking more and more. It must cook completely. Now I can add the mastic that I crushed. Mastic is the main flavoring for this dessert. If it is not available in your country, you can find it in large supermarkets, especially Lebanese supermarkets, if it is available to you, or Greek, or at spice shops. In every country there are spice sellers. They know this ingredient, so they can get it for you. If it is not available with them, then they will order it for you. The starch is fully cooked. It is time to add the ingredient. The other main ingredient, which is the Qarisha cheese. I have about 1.5 cups of Qarisha. I add it to the mixture. You can also use ricotta cheese in case you do not have Qarisha. In case you are in a rush, so the Qarisha is in the mixture. I previously shared an excellent Qarisha recipe. In case you wanted to make the Qarisha yourselves, the video is available on my channel. So I mix the Qarisha until it is fully blended with the mixture and become one harmonious body. Now to blend the Qarisha into the mixture effectively, I will use the whisk. The whisk is very effective for blending the ingredients together. As you see, the lumps in the Qarisha are melting into the mixture. And this is what we want. And this is the required consistency for our dessert. I turn off the heat. And I pour the mixture immediately while hot into the prepared mold. I have a silicone mold with a beautiful design. I pour the mixture into it without any greasing. In case you do not have a silicone mold, you can use a Pyrex or ceramic glass mold. But it is necessary to grease it with a light layer of vegetable oil to make removal easy. So I Fill the mold to the very top, to its edges. The quantity that comes out is very generous. What remained in the pot, I ate on the side. I tap the mold on the counter so the mixture distributes harmoniously. And when it cools completely at room temperature, I cover it with plastic wrap. As you notice, the plastic wrap does not stick to silicone. I will use clips to secure it. Luckily, the mold I have has a lip to secure the plastic wrap. If your mold doesn't have a lip, you'll have to figure out how to place it. Then it goes into the fridge for a full night. I will return later. While waiting, I'll grind some delicious Aleppo pistachios. I'll grind them coarsely so they look beautiful. That's perfect. And I'll store them in a jar. I ground a generous amount all at once. Because in Ramadan we keep eating sweets, so it's best to grind a large amount to save effort. The jar must be dry to store the pistachios properly. I'll cover the jar and set it aside. After a night of chilling, the cream mold is ready to eat. I'll release it from the plastic wrap. I'll dab away any moisture if there is any. As you can see from the silicone mold texture, it's non-stick, even though I didn't grease it with oil. Now I want to flip it upside down. And see how easy it is to remove. Look at this beauty, dear viewers. Silicone molds really are excellent for this type of dessert. They give beautiful decorations and a professional result. And now it's time to cut it. Look at the texture and how nice it is. When cutting, the piece comes out whole. As you can see, it looks delicious. Look at the bright whiteness and the decoration on each piece. I'll pour a little honey over it. The dessert sugar level is moderate. You can eat it without honey if you are watching your diet, but it is very delicious with honey or syrup. And I'll garnish it with the crushed Aleppo pistachios. Look at this. I apologize to everyone who is fasting. I recorded this scene after iftar. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. An imaginary taste, dear viewers. Cream, master cream cheese, everything you want. I want to eat more, I can't help it. Truly, this dessert is addictive. Try preparing it, it's very easy. You won't regret it at all. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click on our link.